Hello. In this episode, I'm going to build some real simple star. But before I get started, I want to make a couple of comments. As a reminder, the reason I've been making these videos is to learn how to use the Cycles rendering engine in Blender, since the Blender folks have announced that in version 2.80, the built-in rendering engine, when you would go up there, up in that neighborhood on your screen, it would say Blender instead of Cycles, and that's going away. So we need to learn how to use that for our work here. And let's see. Yeah, okay. So now that we got that advertising out of the way, I'm going to make a star, and to make a star in the built-in version, you can do under extras. I've gone to the preferences and add extra mesh material, and you can come up with a simple star. And as you can see, yep, it's a star, and you can go in and change the parameters and whatever. Okay, so you can make a interesting looking star. All right, but I'm going to show you how to make one that's a little prettier. I think it's prettier anyhow. So let's make an 8-point star. So to do that, you do a cylinder, and for the defaults, take the number of points you want, multiply times 2, 16 in this case, and we don't need a end point, and so we got the basis. We go into edit mode, top view, go into wireframe mode, and now we want to do is select every other pair of vertices. Like so. Okay, so that it looks like that. Now you do a little scale, so S, Shift Z, and scale it in so it looks like a star from the top, not from the side, obviously. Now, Control R, put a loop in the center, grab all these points, Shift, grab all those points, scale, Shift Z, scale Z, hit A to select all, go to vertex, remove doubles, get 30 vertices, go to solid mode, solid, and there's our star. Yeah, how about that? How quick is that, huh? Again, so the number of points you want on your star times 2 when you go and allocate the cylinder. Oh, and here's another little tidbit I discovered recently when I go to export to Collada. Okay, a couple of notes about exporting it. You may want to issue the selection only. Be aware of that entry there. Are there operator? Yes, there are. Let's see. What does that give you? Static selection only. Does it give you that? Yes, it does. So you might want to watch for that in the operator's presets, or make sure you select that if you've got an operator on your item before you do the export, or you're not going to get the operator that you want. And I also noticed that in 2.80 now, it does include the textures that you've put onto it. So if you go in and do some shading, and shade your device. Let's see. A green star. When you upload that to Second Life, that will show up now. And again, since this is a pretty simple object, Blender has unwrapped it for me. How cool is that? Anyhow, that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please subscribe, and it would be really nice if you could click like. Thanks a lot. Bye.